Watch the world pass by without me, trying to raise a man out of my son. Check the mail for some good news, 'cause right now I could use anything, nothing has come. Well, Mama's been asking about rumors that neighbors heard bingo night. Said I'm the saddest damn sight since they watched as the light leave out of my Paul's eye. Oh, it's a cold, cold wind. It's a cold wind gonna blow. It's a cold, cold wind. It's a cold wind gonna blow. Well, windshield's been cracked for years now, and hot water's got my pipes clogged. Well, I'd risk trying to fix it, but one wrong decision could break bank and this place is lost. Well, I've been praying and straining my bootstraps, trying to lift myself up from this hole. Well, if I don't see some kind of relief, the good Lord can take back this hole. I said, oh, 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 'cause it's a cold, cold wind. It's a cold wind gonna blow. Oh, 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 oh. It's a cold, cold wind. It's a cold wind gonna blow. Well, yeah, I've been training and fighting my decision, living for end a critical condition. It's an American condition, get worse while you're wishing. Cancer ones don't come twice. Cancer ones don't come twice. Nighttime I lay awake and wonder what was instead what made. Then the night starts a falling and the guns get to calling, and I'm crawling to a new day. It's a cold, 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 cold wind that's gonna blow. It's a cold, 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 cold wind. It's a cold wind that's gonna blow.